Do you know that volunteering might help boost body confidence? Instead of focusing on ourselves, we can focus on the wider world and see where our knowledge and skills are needed the most. I volunteer and help boost my body confidence by helping stray animals. And I challenge you to find ways you can serve and see where your competence and knowledge and skills are needed the most in the world.
To, jak se vnímáme, hodně záleží na lidech okolo nás. A to hlavně na 5 lidech. Kdo je ve vaší 5? Jak tito lidé komentují vaše tělo a jak mluví o svém těle? Pokud nemáte rádi svoji 5, neváhejte ji změnit.
Do you remember Bridget Jones or even Alice in the Wonderland? They are amazing fairy tale creatures, but as much as you can remember probably, they are nothing special. They are actually quite ordinary, or even you may say, lame. They are not even smart, even too intelligent or too beautiful. But it's okay, because at the end they still finish their story, they seek for their loves, they return home. So maybe, as much as them, we also can be our leading ladies in the story. You know, just find your book and be yourself. Be your own story.
Tas ir tikai normāli, ka tev sevī kaut kas nepatīk, un tev ir ļoti daudz iespēju savu izskatu mainīt. Taču tev ir arī izvēle. Tu vari visu savu laiku, naudu, domas veltīt tam, lai savus it kā trūkumus labotu, vai arī tu vienkārši vari darīt lietas, kas tā sagādā prieku. Tu vari dejot, sportot, attīstīt prasmes, būt kopā ar draugiem, ceļot. Galu galā reti, kuram cilvēkam tavā dzīvē ir svarīgi, kā tu izskaties. Tas, ko cilvēki tevī visvairāk novērtēs, ir kā tu domā, ko tu spēj un kā tu izturies pret viņiem.